Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Are you ready to read along with me? Let's go. Map. Storybook 6. Review. Jan had a map. Anne had a van. Pat had a bag and a cat. Jan, Anne, and Pat had a plan. Cat sat on the map. Cat. Pat and Cat ran. Jan mad. Anne sad. Bag. Oh man. The van ran. The end. When you are ready, it's time to move on to book 7. Congratulations, you are moving on to the Blue Book series. Thank you so much for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed our new original creation. Let us know in the comments below. Keep coming back, keep reading and practicing, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.